Hello friends, in today's video I want to show you how to fix your activity feature not showing on Facebook which recently updated. So first thing, you have to just open up the Facebook app. Make sure you change your Facebook into a professional. So let me show how to change the Facebook profile to the professional. Here you have to just tap on set professional mode. Now here you can find lot of features, so simply tap on get started. Then you can simply select these options. So I want to just create my Facebook as a creator, and you have to just set up these pages. And now here you notice that welcome to the dashboard. So if you tap on this one, I want to show you how to get your activity option here. You have to just tap on back. Now tap on this option, and here you notice that it shows track your activity and understanding. So you have to just tap on next, and you can follow these steps to successfully set up. So you can only get this option once you successfully convert your Facebook profile to the professional. Here you notice that I have successfully set up it. So with the help of this process, you can easily fix if your activity feature is not showing on a Facebook profile. You only need to simply convert your Facebook profile to the professional, and you need to simply follow these steps to successfully get your activity feature.